The last thing I want to show you here is how to cash out to your bank account. And what you're going to want to do is navigate over here to the transfers tab. And this is where you can see all money coming in and going out of your account. Now, if, for example, you wanted to transfer your brokerage account, a different one that you have, or possibly a retirement account to Webull, you can click transfer assets into Webull to start that process and pick which broker you're looking to transfer over. But for now, what we're going to do is simply click on the withdraw button here, and this allows you to withdraw money to your bank account. Now, as you can see, we have $0 available to withdraw. That's because our unavailable balance is $49.96, simply because, number one, the money coming over from my bank account has not settled. And then number two, because we bought and sold a stock, we now have to wait for T+2 settlement to take place in order to withdraw that money or reinvest that money. But assuming you had cash available to withdraw, you would simply click on that blue button after choosing the desired amount, and you can zip that right off to your bank account.